menu animal offensive for made in Jason Quemuna. Medin James Makion. Na Samri a year MPP primaries I bekoso ewo offensive South constituency and make them madrin kakra ewo home. Yena enemy say offensive punto akachiri. Na a bread you say ye ma yekru no anase ye ma no punto ehia ye. Na ewiase no sabe panyin se uni panyina due nipa odi animu kan akon ani puntu abrɛ no ɛho hia pa ɛno nti na sesei ɛyɛ premise yɛbɛkɔ no ɛwɔ se yɛhwɛ ne yi nipa a obetimi ni puntuo abrɛ offense na offense so afa na ntoma pa afira ɛmi ameka sɛ meche mase kakra meyɛ MPP vice chairman ɛwɔ Finland branch na yɛba offense so party politics in fact ebra honorable Kamnasafo etiase na me share say me de me ho AG MPP nsensem mu ewo constituency nim no kra say ebra nyame fa de kra nsie yi honorable Kamnasafo efiri mu ne ye pe obi ama no abesi Kamnasafo anan nipa obesi na Dr. Dua obesi na nipa metmaka say ene ne kasa ye beebia ni hia ne kasa ma ne gitu mu say no eba be ye fenise candidate for MPP no sa meeting no na meeting bi eno nti no I'm just giving this background for you to know say sabe mi obi a offense punto hia me na party no so ehun punto so ye dey ehia me 2008 Ebra Abdallah no ye candidate Abdallah say we MP we candidate no me kaza am na offensive tertiary students union na me leader e wo ho me na me bobo adoma no school for all the campuses me bobo ma no mo beto aba sa me no na me ni Abdallah Kasai as na me kan vice chairman at the time chairman KK vice chairman Obidi Madansie Abdallah enemy kasama me ni official former e school for nyina wo all the university institution nyina kasama mu do la lorry fair etwa ticket e bag offense beto aba so mu wi about one na obeti o mo ticket am ye wo wi aba ni wi ye fam e ka de enka amafo e brome because Abdallah ma me say fam e fi wona me hu say sa Abdallah yi onyo obi a sabe official beto ni ewira hye ni mu na so ne nyina akiri no ya to aba ma no 12 good years as MP na 12 years no me say we say are we proud about him as our MP to do na MP what in the office as MP no what me alobi e de abre eye offense man hwe na ene me wanwa say Abdallah we MP no sabe ontimi emwa yen ema yen tumpon hwe na ku for do ba yi obehwa o hwe ni ministers and deputy ministers ya amanfo ka na do ministers doors ni deputy ministers doors MP awatna parliament 12 years bantam fam teme enya nimtia deputy minister mpo enne enkran asebio omko parliament first term some of them are full ministers deputy minister Abdallah wantimi anya bia mayen parliament also say our year committee chairman eno obi kan ye committee members ni nyina all the people are lawyers and non committee ni so no omu nyina enya appointment na ka ono nko a ti na say we kan ye hwe de ye man committee chairman ena o di say empudunuma bia offense enya afiri aban mu bia no eye de aban echiche ni bi na nyina ye nya bi e de pote pa na Abdallah ono ode ni office as MP wotimi alobi ama offense man a ene osanse offense ye nsan kwoto aba enma no as ye MP bio omi nkan na metie na no na metie no Watam FM say wakolobi 100 kilometers road for offense me say eh papa yi sabi nti offense for nti umu ya na ne sa MP umu offense for kra na ne sa 100 kilometers road and wakolobi now they maye obi you couldn't help yourself, you couldn't even lobby to get deputy minister because say ene open premise edinti ultimate not a radio so. A shop is a phone him. And for the compromise, a try and trust say, or 12 kilometers road. We have say just because we want to win elections. Media foot American officer phone say, Abdallah, 12 years is enough. 3 terms as MP is enough. The office for Bayawa, the other one. Yes, sir. Say, media coming, na me everyone. Say we contest bill because I say last election, look I say, you ma come out could be what. Now we need 2016 elections and ya there we could be. O promise officer for say MPP ba power, you be your minister. In the end to Obama because our parliament are check. Una be fine. Only ba me fine. And so ba ye she ye hu so. Da bia ka se sabio o papa free banda ti o de ono zongo sofo na eko mi busa se na no ye ba omia e ka se MPP ye de e ma o masua de mo ezongo communities ye select bi ne do mako Cuba mo ko sua de abe doctors abe boa Ghana no e ba cho Abdallah ba cho zongo community no ahodo ye wo offense no e ma do se na utimi boa ye e ma ye dem ko Cuba ni bi. Not a single one. In the case of offense, we don't have women who are educated enough to be trained as doctors from our zongo communities in offense. You couldn't help one. Obaye, anya shwe. Me because sabe me am so ntimi moye. Na so obaye no anya shwe. Hard afibia e man peace bia 2 slots. And so 2 slots na the man. O de na woton. So say me boa. Chire zongo community our offense so nipa for 12 years and when you are 24 slots how many dem am nobody and so neno abasen san otoba mo me feel say your being in office has been a waste of time for the community and say me say official 48 emia some nges emra or see a ton you vote. If you say, Sika, a free common fund, Sika, a free health insurance fund, I was Abdallah, a banning some or the boy of small fund to or the national bottom, or train, they do election, or the sense can up to a vote, nor the MP. I think that's our tricks and a yapam. Transformation for Miss Ramon, whom I am near now so Abdallah dear, young in free home. Now, I mean, you have the free one more, is that kind of you know. As is contest Abdallah, Dr. Poku, and Desmond Chris appear. Now, we are saying, Sabe, yes, I'm Abdallah, Nano Chester View, Ubi baby, and I was here to Abama. And this are the young Dr. Poku. Dr. Poku, the track record to say, what does he bring on the table or to the table? And I was say, you told Abama Dr. Poku. As our parliamentary candidate for MPP of Central South. So for me in Naho, Nian ni pa na Juma Eswa ni pa bit ma trust no to be our MP. People but me puntuo abrayen. No crowd when said Dr. Poku and yes na no am tell say contest primaries here. Me na me nim no. Na me nim mpo e party nim. Say we obi a sabe party no odima kotena na party no wo party no ekwambia so. And the boss and me has sent me busa. So to Poku go on wine. The why my party no the contribution to the party and the official community kura NSA. Me busa ebesi nei. Me nya one person man can tell myself to Poku until now I will contest as a parliamentary candidate no. Say and why my party no the contribution my party no say and I say mente ba kumpo say. So nimbia ubet makam yeti. In the matter say oh mama no sika no e no cocoa board tie nto abama no kwahye busa na say sika na owo no emudro say na odebo party no in the past omun kana mintie 2016 people were adopting police stations to help. How many police stations did he adopt? How much did he contribute to the campaign in offensive constituency, offensive South constituency? Nothing. But you know sabe nipa bi edi Dr. Poku achi say ento abama no me MP because Osika. No be Osika, no only MP, no one for the Sika am more offense. No. How do we, I mean, on what basis can we believe him? Can we trust him? Say, we talk about money there, or the Sika or one, or the offense. This is not the time I'll see a turn your vote. You turn your vote to a check. This time we want development. Offensive has to rise again. Offensive to Kumasi less than 20 minutes. What do Kumasi? And so you crow more. Akufuado. All the flagship programs I want introducing 1D, 1F, 1Y. We move back up say crampono in 10 centimeters can be. I don't say basa. All because we say for a long time we have been voting for people for the wrong reasons. Dr. Poku working for Cocoa Board. She said, "Oh, matters of retirement." E bini so, "Obo modin ya ma e bini madwuma Cocoa Board." Me bisa, ni person no madwuma. In the Cocoa Board no, or he is doing this all because he say, "Ene opempiedi." And until now, he's trying to give some people temporary job, not even permanent, temporary jobs at Cocoa Board. I don't think we should allow anybody to deceive us with lies. People who don't have any track record in the party, people who have not sacrificed for the party, people who have not worked for the party. We shouldn't trust such people and make such a mistake. We made that same mistake with Abdallah. Abdallah, if you people buy you name no way. And Mr. Kwame do Jan Tobamano, Yatoma Abdallah, and any. I don't think we should repeat that same mistake. It is for women in the home. I thought so be finally make us have a Desmond. We said Desmond 2016 or primary nibi. One winnie and Abdallah winnie. Nipa 6, I understand, and contest Abdallah. Now, all the 6 having realized say Desmond Ayobia he stands to be the best person to serve the community. No? All the other people withdrew their candidature. Say, Desmond should go and contest against Abdallah. We come here who say, Ampa, this guy, there's something special about him. And I think that there are enough grounds what demonstrated in many ways to show himself we're committed to the party and he's committed to the community. Obia onye MP, the sacrifices, and nema hold wa yama offense no. Mekata making kanya adebachi yen. See a health. Namo weighing center on one a namo aine Desmond a about 4 clinic health equipment I will provide them more when your MP is uncountable. Me twaso me say Desmond me say me here be mama America kra me say muntie me amowi primary school omuda bubu ye hwana ko boaye Desmond onye MP many schools e wo ofin so omo park and credit so agro post bubu kra MP ontime mwa Desmond e ko boboa ensuo ofin so ensuo many boreholes so asese enfie be enum ni akire nie hwana fixing nyina Desmond fixing nyina onye MP odi ni bottom sika e na ita ne mawe nyina nipa hodo a wotimi aboa amomanya adwuma ewo na ambulance service napco any ade any kwade me say mintimi enkan offense so yete say offense yesi community library enye ne library no esi ho ana book ba kokra say enem Desmond spent over 50,000 Ghana cedis to refurbish the library, buying books, buying computers for the library when the MP was there. Sani pa we I would bottom sika time when you na emo offense so among the 3 candidates, who is more committed, who is more dedicated, who wants to serve the community. I was here trouble man. Namo a school for SDA event Namo MA 3 classroom. He was able to lobby for his friends from the US to come and build school, classrooms for the community. Me kroma nyinesu hona metena ye minyine ye ansa na me free ho. Anyinesu boreholes say yenye anyinesu for have been voting for Abdallah all the time. But boreholes say Abdallah na koya mo. Desmond na koya mo. Sa ne pa we. Hwan en twa mama no. mesremo offenso for say ya nhweye na yedi sika achi na yedi nada achi na yedi atro achi eme ko sakoye sa mistake ni biwa ene ye nchirima in fact omuni bebre yeso na obi ka say na wo tebrochire e na wo ka offenso asem me tebrochire nenso so kanwa akame so offenso etum pon a e bi kame offenso mpunto ka achire a e bi kame na e bi kan ososo it mesre delegates me pa mo chow delegates me ka say nyina me ka tamamo delegates offenso mpunto egina mo so se be ye se nyeye egina mo so yesremo Abdallah there he is no option on the kwa de mesremo yemfa na twenten name between Abdallah and Dr. Poku, who has sacrificed for the party, who has shown commitment to the party, who has shown commitment to the community. Say even say your MPP party here, we reward hard work, we reward sacrifices. Let's reward Desmond for his commitment to the party, for his sacrifices to the party. 2016, Nibotom Sika, he helped the campaign, not only at the constituency, also at regional level. He was helping with his money, his resources. Dr. Poku, then where am I? Mr. Remo, for Mr. Remo. More official in Tumpon. Say ye, say ye, again, also. Let's not make that mistake again. And I'm sure if we vote for Desmond, I have no doubt in my mind, say, Offenso will rise again. Thank you very much.